welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solitaire cash how to win. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Solitaire cash app, and then the first thing that you need to do is know the basic of Solitaire. Make sure you understand the basic Solitaire rules like goal, card movement and stockpile. And second is to play faster. Speed is key. The faster you finish the game, the more points you earn, and focus on efficient moves and don't hesitate to make moves as quickly as possible. Now number third is to plan your moves. Try to visualize several moves in advance. It helps you avoid making decisions that block your future moves. An empty column can only hold a king, so try to free up a column as early as possible. Prioritize moving aces and twos to the foundation pile. Number fourth is to use the stockpile wisely. Don't over rely on the stockpile and avoid drawing cards too early. Focus on completing the foundation and make smart moves. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.